Updating your payment information on Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains up to date. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. In the Account Info section, look for Payment Options or Billing Information. Click on this option to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sh.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment details, make sure to click on Save or Update to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on Yahoo Mail. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.